Welcome back. Let's take a look at how you can boost your creativity, and I'm going to give you lots of techniques, right? So we know that productivity is an essential component. So when you're creative, you're able to come up with new and innovative ideas that can help you solve problems, complete tasks more efficiently, and ultimately achieve your goals. But sometimes you may find yourself struggling to tap into your creative side. Fortunately, there are several techniques that you can use to boost your creativity and then get your creative juices flowing. Like I mentioned earlier, taking short breaks is absolutely a powerful technique. So when you step away from a task, you actually allow your mind to rest and recharge. Now this can help you approach the task from a fresh perspective when you return to the table. Also, you can try taking a walk or just do some deep breathing or close your eyes and just sort of like having a few seconds of deep breaths, right? So these techniques are very, very powerful. It helps you generate new ideas. Another thing you can do is start by writing down the task that you're trying to solve, right? And then write down as many ideas that you wish to solve to complete the task, no matter how crazy and unrealistic they may seem. So once you have a long list of ideas, you can then start to narrow them down and refine them. Mind mapping is another powerful technique that you can use that can help you generate new ideas. For example, start by writing down an essential idea, right, in the center of a piece of paper. Then draw branches out from the central idea and then write down related ideas or sub-problems on each branch. Now keep branching out and connecting ideas until you have a web of ideas that work together. Experimentation, sometimes the best way to boost your creativity is to simply experiment with new things. Try new things and see what works for you. Now this could be experimenting with new techniques, for example, new tools, or new ways of approaching a certain task. The key here is to be open to try new things and not be afraid of being failure. Collaboration and also is an excellent way to boost your creativity. Working with others can help you see things from a different perspective and generate new ideas. Try brainstorming with a group, maybe a focus group, working on a project with a partner, or simply bouncing off ideas off of someone else. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're a graphic designer working on a new project. Now you're feeling stuck and struggling to come up with new ideas. You decide to take a break and then just simply go out for a walk outside. As you walk, you start to notice the colors around you, the patterns around you of trees and whatnot. You snap a few pictures from your phone, come back to your desk, feeling refreshed and inspired. Or, let me give another example. You're a writer working on a novel. You hit a roadblock and struggling to come up with new ideas for your character. Now, you decide to do mind mapping and start by writing the name of your protagonist in the center of a piece of paper. Now you branch out from there, writing down related characters, conflicts, and then plot points. As you continue to branch out, you start to see the new connections and ideas that you have not thought about before. So in essence, boosting your creativity can be a powerful way to increase your productivity and achieve your goals. By using techniques like taking breaks, brainstorming, taking a walk, fresh perspective, experimentation, collaboration, you can certainly tap into your creative side and generate new and innovative ideas. So next time you're feeling stuck, try one of these techniques and see where your creativity takes you.